How's it going, guys? It's Jason Magic. I'm going to teach you an easy to do gambling card trick that's easy to perform. Let's go down to the table. So I'm going to show you a technique the card cheats, poker cheats use. It's called bottom dealing. I've actually taken out the 4 aces. I'm going to place them on the bottom. And this is bottom dealing. If we was to, say, play an hand of 5-hand poker game, it's 4 hands. Give myself the 5th hand. I would actually take a card from the bottom, but you wouldn't be able to see it. So obviously I'm just demonstrating what's bottom dealing. Literally. Don't have that last card. And look, I've actually bottom dealed myself the 4 aces. It gives me an actual unfair advantage. But look, if we take the aces and just place them there and place all these cards on top, let me give you a good demonstration of how it really works. Okay, give a card a shuffle. So we give 5 hands. I don't know if you can see that I'm actually, looks like I'm actually taking cards off the top. I'll even do this one hand. I got 5 cards. And look, that's not bad, an ace. But not only that, guys. Look what I've done. I've literally dealt myself a royal flush in spades. Let's get on to it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little performance. Here is the working. Very easy to perform and it's a very good effect. You take out the 4 aces. Make sure the ace of spades is the one on top of the aces like that. And there is a slight setup on top of the deck as well. You've got the 10, Jack, Queen and King of the matching suit of the aces on top. Place these on top. They could be in any order actually. And you say, look, we're going to go through a demonstration of cheating by using a technique called bottom dealing. So you do the 5 hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that from the bottom, show. Take that from the bottom, show. Take that from the bottom, show. You see, they can do it so well that, and obviously you can take that from the top, it doesn't matter. What you've done, obviously, you've dealt yourself the aces, they know that, but on each hand that you actually dealt in order, you have dealt the 4 of the royal flush cards, okay? That's what you've done. And you say, look, let me show you a way you can do it so it's undetected. Turn these face down, the aces, and say, look, we'll place the aces there. And you need to pick these up in a certain order. You need to pick them up like this. First goes on second pile, second and first pile go on third, first, second and third goes on fourth. Instead of doing it like that, picking those up like that, the best way to do it, take third, place them on fourth, take first, place it on second, and place that on top. And you place this on top of the deck. And you say, look, we're going to try it one more time. You ain't going to see this. And say, watch, the aces are somewhere in the middle. And they can see the aces. And that's it, guys. You can give it a false shuffle if you want to. But if you do, peel off a quarter of the cards. The first card, pull it back. That's called an in jog. And you shuffle off everything on top of there. And you've got a break by there, an in jog. You push up with your thumb and you push in. And you hold what's called a break. And you shuffle everything off to that break. Throw the balance on top. And you say, look, we're going to try it one more time. See if you can catch me this time. You're just dealing off the top, all right? You can go slow. You can say, look, I'll even use one hand. So a bit of fun. And say, look, let's see what we've done. Did you see me? What you do, with your thumb, you peel off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse the cards, you see. Oh, look, we've got an ace. Here's the kicker, guys. Not only that, we've got the 10, Jack, Queen, King, and these are spades, are royal flushing spades. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, do me a favour, guys, hit the like and share this video with friends. And if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe. We've got a lot of magic tricks I'm going to teach you and show you in the future. And go out and have fun, and I'll see you soon.